Hi guys. Today I woke up to my fish tank and I seen a little catfish, little fry catfish, and I was not intending to breeding one, but I went downstairs today and I seen that little catfish out there. It's pretty cool, and like I said, I wasn't expecting to see one out there. I got six of the catfishes in there. It's Here's the parent catfish. I got six of them. It's a silver corridoral catfish. So just want to show it to you because I was really surprised with what I seen today. Yeah, just a little update for my fish tank, and just if you like it, you can subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos.